So the coaching search continues. And names are thrown all over the place. But, you know, this morning I spoke about Miguel Coley. Now I'm going to speak about a different coach. This one was very, very surprising, extremely surprising for me. I've either, anyways, no matter. But before we get into that, people, I'm going to announce to say, we MG Sports, Knockins, will come together and we'll do a 1v1 tournament over by Kick It football complex. That's where you play like, you know, night ball and something there. On a pretty turf. Yeah. Over Kick It turf. Over there, over there. Located on Port Henderson Road. Well, off Port Henderson Road. So 1v1, when say no good, you say no bad baller, come on display on the skill set. 20,000 free, basically free. 1,000 of enter, 20,000 I win. So come join, come play some ball. When I say no bad baller, come prove on yourself. Anyways, let's get to the meat matter. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Steve McLaren. Steve McLaren is the next name we may get. Or is, I should say the other name we may get. Me not think me I get no more names still. I don't think me I get no more names still. At this present moment, for those who don't know, Steve McLaren is Eric Ten Hag assistant. So apparently there's something for there. Somebody in the selection love Manchester United. Cause everybody with that is connected to Manchester United seems to be them up part of the JFF or them are involved. I don't know. But it just seems like there's this connection between Manchester United and the JFF where coaching selection is concerned. Because I've heard Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, Dwight York, now Steve McLaren. Quite an interesting one. Let me tell you why this one is so interesting. At this present moment, for those who know, Steve McLaren, let me see age, big man, up in age. Definitely want to say them man step in the dressing room, you know, say, respect Africa. I think that's 63 years of age. I think it's 63 years of age. Let me clarify that. Yes. 63 years of age. Now, let me tell you why this one is interesting. At this present moment, he is being touted, or should I say scouted to be the Nigeria head coach. That's what's happening right now. So when I hear the name, I say, all right, so I'm going to go do some research. We find out he's actually been touted to be Nigeria head coach. Let me give you some news on this. And this is actually recent news. Down to what? Just what year? McLaren, of course, has experience managing a national team, coaching England from 2006 to 2007, a reign that ended abruptly after failing to qualify for the 2008 Euros. So Nigeria wants someone in place by September when the Afghan qualification bid gets underway. So they're going to move fast with that. The United coach has not been in the main man in the dugout since an 11-month stint in charge of QPR that ended with 16 wins out of 46. He returned to Old Trafford 2 years ago to act as Ten Hag's assistant. His second time in the role, having done so under Sir Alex Ferguson in 1999. The Yorkishman took his first managerial role in 2001 when he took charge of Middlesbrough, winning the League Cup with them in 2004 before taking them to the UEFA Cup final in 2006. He won the Eredivisie with 20 in 2010, their first ever league title a year after Ten Hag had left his service. Okay, so that's interesting. So actually have some stuff on their belt. In 2011, McLaren returned to English football, but not for long, lasting just 13 games in charge of Nottingham Forest before getting sacked with 3 wins. He then returned to 20 before 2 stints with Derby County and a 9-month appointment at Newcastle. So he is well involved in being in the limelight, being the head coach, being all of this stuff. None of these things are new to him. None of them are new to him. Just quite interesting. But a big presence in the dressing room. A big man presence. And let me show you how this one interesting now. 63 years old. having so many accolades under his belt. So many accolades. Let me tell you. One Champions League winner, Premier League winner, FA Cup, English League Cup winner, Dutch champion. See if there's more. Is there more? UEFA Pro license. Let me see if there's more. Let's check if there's more. Yeah, that's it. I was just checking if there's more. So he has a huge CV stepping into that dressing room with, if you should be appointed. Just said if. Now, he's a big profile. And they might get the money for PM. But as I said, it's a lucrative job. People keep on accustomed say it's not nobody no want to work with the JFF and the job no lucrative. All them something. It's not look emotional. Be a little personal feelings. And this is something we expect from many of the fan base. There are smart fan base who understand how football set up, but you have the fan base who just up out of there's emotions. Most 90% of the time they speak is from their emotions, what they feel. And really and truly, what they feel is not actually what is. So, Steve McLaren is the next name out of the bag. Big man, as in respected, highly respected. Not someone who anybody can just tell them anything, talk to them any way. No, he has a CV. Even members of the JFF definitely would have to show some level of respect. Can't speak to this in a certain way. I think it had been experienced enough to know how, what, where, and when, and he does things. Quite an interesting one. And importantly, he's not new to the international stage. Also, he's not new being the main man where the camera light is on. And these are some important factors. But as I said at the start of the video, he is in prime position. Well, he's one of the, not prime position, my apologies, sorry about that. He's one of the managers who the Nigerian FA are zooming in at this present moment, and maybe at a bigger offer hotel. Can we offer money like what Nigeria offer? We don't know. But it will be interesting. It will be really interesting at this present moment. Solskjaer, name call up. But this one, as I said, I get two names people. I get two names where, from what I receive, from the report I receive, which is Miguel Coley and Steve McLaren. And I was surprised when I hear Miguel Coley, because initially I heard that Miguel Coley was on the 40-man list, but not in the short list. I know me get confirmation say, on the short list with the big man, then the man they were likely if you get the job, Miguel Coley name was there. No, Steve McLaren. Now I've seen, I think JN Sports reported on this as well. He reported on this about a week ago. I'm not sure, but he reported on this about a time ago. So big up yourself on that, JN Sports. You know, you always get your breaking news, you know? Breaking news. But I've officially get confirmation that, you know, he's one of the man them where them a look pan. But more than likely, more name will go pop up in the people. More name will pop up. What I don't want is what we saw what happened with the White York, where this big article or this big media house, I say this particular person is the front runner. Yeah, I don't want to see any of that again. I like the fact say, boy, the names are spilled out, but nobody is not front runner, nothing. We're quite unsure who will get it. But these are some big profile in the bag. Some big profile in the bag. So, people, in the comment section, tell me what you think. What are your thoughts on this one? Be quite interesting to see if this happens. We need to know what Nigeria has more to offer, or maybe Jamaica. You know, Jamaica team has more European players. You know, and you know them little thing there. Even though Nigeria have a lot of European players, but it's really interesting to see how this one will materialize and how them will structure certain things if him get the job. So in the comment section, tell us what you think about this one, people. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Yeah, I know my first one I discuss this. Other people discussed it already. It's not like me I break the news. The news was already broken by Dre Anyway the Sports. I just got the confirmation, so me just I do video on it. Yeah. Interesting time ahead, people, for the Reggae Boyz. Anyways, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. 1v1. Make sure you come support the thing, people. Big up on yourself. Like, share, and subscribe. Link in the comment section. Hit that link and support us by buying us a coffee. If not, the easiest way to support us by hitting the like button. See you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. All right, God bless. Boom. You know what I mean? Come here and sweat.